Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great in your quarantine. My name is Ankit Kumar and my topic is Internet of Things or basically IoT and its applications in educational institutions. So basically what is IoT? The Internet of Things is a network of physical objects things that are embedded with sensors, software, electronics, network or other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. The basic goal of IoT is to extend to internet connectivity from standard devices like computer, mobile, tablet to relatively dumb devices like a toaster. Yes, dumb devices like a toaster. So let's talk about the components of IoT systems, how IoT basically works. There are basically four components of IoT systems: sensors, devices, connectivity, data processing, user interface. So let's talk about the first one, sensors. It is the key component that helps you to collect live data from the surrounding environment. All this data may have various levels of complexities. It could be a simple temperature monitoring sensor or it may be in the form of a video feed. Move on to second one, connectivity. All the collected data is sent to a cloud infrastructure. The sensors should be connected to the cloud using various mediums of communications. These communication mediums include mobile or satellite networks, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or WAN, etc. The third component, data processing. Once the data is collected and it gets to the cloud, the software performs processing on the gathered data. This process can be just checking the temperature reading on devices like AC or heaters. However, it can also be more complex, like identifying objects using computer vision on video. Fourth one, user interface. The information needs to be available to the end user in some way, which can be achieved by triggering alarms or on their phones or sending them notification through email or text message. The user sometimes might need an interface which actively checks their IoT systems. For example, the user has a camera installed in his home. He wants to access video recording and all the feeds with the help of a web server. So let's talk about IoT in the field of education. IoT customizes and enhances education by allowing optimization of all content and forms of delivery. It enables educators to give focus to individuals and their method. It reduces cost and labor of education through automation of common tasks outside of the actual educational process. It not only provides valuable insight but it also democratizes that information through low cost, low power devices which still offer high performances. So let's talk about the applications of IoT in education sector. First one, smart boards. The advent of IoT in education will lead to the development of IoT powered whiteboards. These whiteboards can be connected to a computer and provide an interactive display that can be operated with a finger, pen or stylus. Smart boards are interactive whiteboards that project subject images, and it also enables the teachers and students to interact with it. Infographics, tutorial videos and complex formula could be solved digitally in shorter time frames. IoT powered smart classrooms will become a reality in the near future. Smart classrooms can incorporate several IoT sensors and gadgets to improve the quality of education. Move on to the next application, biometric sensor. With IoT based attendance system, calculating students' attendance and generating regularity, punctuality and personality report becomes effortless, which saves time. It made sure to digitally register the students' attendance. This could also help the agency to reduce the time it takes to publish attendance facts and allows school officers to send a piece of email to mother and father. The third application, smartphones and tablets. IoT experts have shifted the excess focus on gadgets for gaming and social networking to educational themes. It collects data and automatically suggests academic topics of interest to the students sitting on the other side of the screen. It also plays an important position in constructing a network through the use of special internet-based systems. Advanced technology that enables the academics to display the development of the scholars. The fourth application, interactive gaining of knowledge. Getting to know these days is not restrained to the mixture of texts and pictures but beyond that. Most of the textbooks are paired with net primarily based websites that consist of extra substances, films, exams, animations and different substances to support the mastering. This gives a broader outlook to the students to analyze new things with a better understanding and interplay with instructors and their friends. The instructional professionals are bringing the actual world troubles inside the study room and permits college students to find their very own answers. The next and the last very important application, IoT sensors. IoT sensors immediately detects if there is any short circuit, earthquake, fatal weather changes in the classrooms and sends out an instant alert to reverse the situation. It is also able to reduce the devastation and store lives that can bring about the wake of a disaster state of affairs. The colleges and schooling centers are adopting specific security measures that assist to relax the campuses. The IoT enabled communications systems also be utilized for various cases such as special emergency tones, live bulletins, a couple of bell schedules, and pre recorded instructional messages in order to direct the group of workers and students at some point of emergency. And finally, the conclusion. The Internet of Things will be further integrated into the education system in the near future. Most of the schools may use it to prepare their students to become highly tech literate, while others may use it to harness data, save money, and further specific needs. Our standings of education must shift if we want to integrate IoT into our education. The organizations that create reasonable practical products the administrators, students, and teachers can get behind are the ones that get benefited first. Thank you.